Hello guys, I'm here again, back. So, for today's live, I upload it later, or you will see it soon in this YouTube, my YouTube channel. Okay, this is Brain again, and happy weekend to you. How are you now? How are you now? So we'll discuss to you the micro components here of Walkman. So kinuha ko yung bawat ano niyan, yung color code ng kanyang resistor. Nandiyan kasi yung mga resistor sa gilid dito. And then meron pa yung mga capacitor. We'll topic this for now. So, handa na sa mga research last week, last Saturday. So, yung mga ganito guys, hindi replaceable, hindi siguro replaceable yan sa mismong company produce na to siguro. At saka yung mga flex na yan, hindi siya papuntang printed board dun sa kanyang audio, yung audio input and output sa headset to headset, pwede dyan A and B, and then yung saan ba yung isa nito, siguro hindi yan non-replaceable din kasi alam nyo guys, yung mga ganyan sa company produce yan ng company talaga, kaya yung mga ganito produce talaga sa company to, mga ganitong this is original one, hindi siya prototype. Siguro mayroong prototype nito, may prototype din siguro nito, ibang naman yun. Yung and then yung red guys, ito nakikita nyo yung red, para sa mic yan, sa mic yon. Meron din yung dito na naka-sold, ayun, dun sa may kanyang board. Ayan yung mga resistor guys, kinuha ko yung nito, yung mga color code nya, malinaw na makita, baka naman bago dito yun, kita naman. Kinuha ko yun para makuha rin yung each of their values or yung resistance kung ilang ohms. So ayun, ni-research ko pa yan. Pwede naman siguro yun i-research natin, ayan. So we go from this one. Here is the audio, ito yung volume knob nya. Sa Walkman to guys ito yung volume knob nya. May boarding yan, maliit na maliit lang guys, and very very tiny, napakaliit. Oh. Ayan, may saksakan ng pwede dalawang headset. Ano dito. ANB nakalagay eh. I will return my yun, binalik ko yung tape reel na hindi ko pa siya tapos guys. Manually rolling ko siya kasi nung ko nung isang beses sa audio system dun sa cassette ko siya yung parang baliktad yung kanyang kaya ang ginawa ko, inattempt kong buksan, inopen ko siya, nalis ko yung 5 screws niya, precision, maliliit lang kasi, very tiny and small. Pero may mas maliit pa ditong guys, type ng screw plus kasi ayan guys plus size siya, ayan positive na kung kikita nyo, ayan may mas maliliit pa dyan na precision, yun nga, pupunta ka na ng precision yun. Ito yung naka-attach dito kay Walkman at saka yung mga pang cellphones, like yung ganito guys, makikita nyo may mas maliit pang screw na pinapang sa mga so this is plus size also, ayan, maliit lang siya guys, very tiny and small one, pang mobile phones sa mga housing i-attach yun. May na doon yung kumbaga may hole na kayong paglalagyan yan, talagang labeled nung na yon, kasi hindi pwede kayo mag-replace ng hindi ka screw niya, hindi nyo rin maisasara yung unit na repaired. So ayun, after kong i-roll yun, syempre i-fit na natin yung dito sa niya, yung sa housing niya, para tape housing niya, para mai-testing na soon, para kasi di ba, para kasi okay yung audio signal ng ating hindi siya parang baliktad, yung hindi nyo maintindihan yung ng music noon, parang pangit, di ba, pangit pakinggan. Okay. So last time nag-discuss ako nung sa inyo, yung sa wiring diagram, printed sa printed wiring board ng ating Philips na DVD. So ito yon, this is the schematic diagram. So yan, dadako naman tayo ngayon sa saan ba tayo na cut nun, kasi naka 1 hour na tayo. last Thursday kasi I know na meron ako ring minor repair noon. May nire-work din ako noon, may resolder. Nandun siya, ito siya, nandito guys, nakalagay siya dito. Nandito pa siya. Pupunta na tayo kay VR. Nasaan si VR? Oo, dito na tayo kay VR. VR, okay, dito sa may bandang diagram ng ating upper part ng ating diagram. VR DVD. So alam niyo naman meaning ng DVD. So alam niyo na yun. What is the meaning of VR? Okay, the meaning of the VR is voltage regulator. V doon, stands for voltage, and then yung capital R stands for regulator. Okay. As our voltage reference, yun na rin yun. Variable resistor, potentiometer, or rheostat. Ano yun? Mga resistor din yata yung mga ganun. Iba-ibang type. Merong semming type, merong fusible type, ganun. Yung mga fusible type, gaya nung nandito sa akin dito, pag nag-change or open na, change value na siya or open na, siguro pwede naman palitan ng carbon yun guys. Yung siguro nagtanong kasi ko sa ibang tech, sabi naman ni JP, okay naman daw kung basta yung ka-resistant niya, same resistant or ohms yung i-replace dun sa na yung mga variable resistors na fusible 1 resistor. So meron din yung function ng CDLD, yung LD, ano na yun guys, yung tatanong ko, comment down here. Laser diode, yun okay. Yung VR, yan naman yun, CD, DVD, meron yung voltage regulator, yung compact disc ng CD, meron voltage regulator, yung VR. NC, close in parenthesis, C, then dash GND, GND, and then yung C, close ground yun. Okay, yung NC, yun, normally close siya. Saan na ba ako? RFE. Okay, RFE naman tayo. Ang ating RFE naman din ayan ibig sabihin yan guys sa diagram natin. Ito ibig sabihin yan. RFE means circuit design is a discipline that focuses on the creation of circuits that operates in radio frequency. So yung RF doon, yun yung radio frequencies na ibig sabihin. Which represents the oscillation rate of electromagnetics waves. Period. Frequency is measured in hertz. Capital H and then followed by small z. Katabi niya lang beside, which is beside niyang magkatabi niya, which is equal to the number of oscillation cycles per second. 1s, okay, 1 seconds. So yun ang radio frequency ng E. So ano yung E dito? Wala bang radio frequency with electric siguro, yung energy siguro yung or ano ba ibig sabihin ng E dyan? We'll search for that. We'll be back on that. Search for letter E. Okay, sige. We'll take down notes. Kasi hindi ko pala nakuha yun. So ito yun. Ano ba yung meaning noon? Yung E. Then we'll be explaining the VCC. Let's go to a VCC, voltage current collector, or a voltage common collector rather, sorry. So, dito, sa ating diagram ng DVD, meron ding VCC. Kung manonotice nyo, ayan. RFA. Oo nga. RFA. Stands for Radio Frequency Analyzer. If I'm not mistaken. We'll review it. Or rather radio frequency ablation, if applicable. Yes, it's here, applicable here. RFA, and then what's the volts here? 5 volts. So yun. So what's the BCC? Here, voltage common collector. BCC na yun, nag-aano rin siya ng current. So, ano nyo lang sa pin. Ewan ko kung may BCC to. Itong IC dito sa Walkman, parang wala guys. Hanapin nyo dyan yung BCC. Well, actually, mag-ano lang naman kayo kasi kung sa DVD, guys, mag-ano lang naman kayo ng ano doon. Magkaiba kasi yan eh. Mag-check lang kayo ng it's either SMD type na fuse or diode or some variable resistor on that. Check nyo lang kung may voltage na ano doon, and then using digital multi-tester na multimeter, and then yung kung meron kayo nakitang defective, papalitan na lang yung malfunction parts doon. Kung matitrace ng isang tech. Okay. So, VCC stands for voltage common collector. Is the higher voltage with respect to ground or yung ating GND. Kung may GND to. Kasi ito yung ano ko ngayon, dito ako ito yung ating DVD here. Nandito siya ngayon, guys. Hindi ko siya kasi for pa yan, bubuksan ko pa ulit. Ayan siya, nandyan lang siya at rest. Ayan, naka-rest siya. Ginamit ko yan a few days ago, yung nakalipas na araw. So, iyon. Sabi dito, VCC is the power input of a device. So, yun pala yung nag-i-input ng power ng isang electronic devices or electronic devices. Okay? It may be positive or negative with respect to, syempre, dun sa ground para siya gumana. Kasi kung wala yung ground, ay useless din yung natin. Yung board, yung kabuuan ng board. Kailangan talaga may ganun para sa current flow. Yung ground para sa current flow natin. Pero, naman ng value, always 0. Oo. Yata, parang ganoon, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. When the only positive power supply is used, then BSS, voltage source supply, means ground or 0. Yun nga, tama nga ako, yung ground, yung GND doon, equivalent, ang always 0 dapat, yung GND. Always ang equivalent nun is 0, ground. So, BCC and BSS pins. So, yung BSS, applicable to both in DVD and power board of or main board of CRT TVs or televisions. Meron din yan dun guys. Yung mga BCC, meron din yung BSS, yung B plus, yung mga ganun yata, yung BGH, yon. Meron yun sa television. Just watch also, Sir, Kuya Libo, yan. Yan, guys? Yung experience yan dyan sa mga television. Galing yan. Tsaka yan sila, not only me, but pero, guys, hindi ako nag-aanong mga major. Alam nyo naman, baka mamaya maka rin tayo, di ba? Alam nyo naman yan, maka-damage pa rin tayo ng hindi pa ako sanay sa mga pero unti naman ako troubleshooting na pwedeng gawin yung minor yon. So, bakit ginagamit si BCC sa integrated circuits natin dun sa IC? Said to this, the VCC voltage is the voltage of the power supply to operate a power supply IC. Ayun. Yun nga, yung na-mention ko kanina, kailangan meron voltage common collector. Yun nga yung ating VCC kasi applicable yun pala kay DVD natin para gumana yung overall niya sa IC. Yung current flow na mag-aano doon ng IC i-absorb and then yun para mag-function yung ating DVDs. Kahit sa naman other units naman here meron mga IC. So VC, what is VC here? Ayun, may busy rin tayo dun sa wiring diagram niya. Variable capacitor, meron din yun. Not only a VR or yung variable resistor, but also we have a variable capacitor here. Yun. TACT. Oh, so ano naman yung tact? It's just related to the button or yung pindutan. Tact switch, kumbaga ang tawagin. Are small compact switches designed to mount PCB boards, to mount the PCB natin. So dito nakamount yung ating, dito guys, sample ko to, yung ating volume knob, ayan, nakamount yan. Instead of yung button, ito meron din siya dito, mounted din for rewind and fast forward. Ayun. Ito guys, ibang type ng tact switch to, talagang pang to, pang precision tools na pang cassette, ibang applicator ng to guys, tact switch. And then made to connect electronics. So yun nga, naka-attach kasi, kasi siya doon, naka-designed and then attach here, parang matibay talaga. Ayan, oh. To connect electronic components. So yun, to form an electronic, yun nga, electronic circuits yun. It also offer a tangible feedback. O yun, mag-o-offer pa siya operates pa siya ng tangible feedback dun sa ating unit. Okay? SP positive and negative, single pole, as for breakers is classified. So meron dito yon sa niya included. Hindi siya spindle guys, kasi sa BCD namin merong spindle na doon sa mismong board nung malapit sa optical. SP varies. Ito here, positive and negative and positive. So mauuna pala yung negative. Connected din yan dun sa ayan, motor driver naman, punta siya doon. Yan, tapos mag-aano siya dun sa, saan ba yun? CN3014 switchboard. Yun, kukuha siya ng supply dun kasi yun, wiring diagram yan guys. SP, ayan, meaning single pole ng ating positive negative breakers ay classified siguro, mga ganun, as classified siguro, home SW switch or big S, ibig sabihin capital S is meaning of switch. Switch or SW, all capitals, yung 2 letters na yun. All types including the button. So nasa yung ating home SW dito sa ating diagram. I will point to you the home SW. Ito after SP followed by home SW. SW meaning switch. Ayan, pupunta siya dun sa motor driver din. Bukas siya ng supply doon sa circuit number 3014 switchboard. Bukas siya doon. Tapos SL, meaning of SL, the label means solder line. Hindi pala siya sled. Nagkamali ako dun sa in-upload ko sa kabila. Sabi ko doon, na-mention ko doon guys, sled dun sa pang optical pickup. Kasi connected din to dun sa may board, motor board ng ating DVD. SL, una muna yung negative. Dito na siya. Na siya, babang portion na siya. Followed by positive 1, SL. Ayan yung ating hindi to solder line. Okay. This is the one with disconnected sides. So meron niyang isang disconnected sides na iso-solder together yung yung side to side na yun para siya yung function. Okay. So other meaning of SL in other applicator is LED nga. For optical pickup nga yun guys. Yun nga yung nasabi ko dun sa kabila. SL meaning LED. Yun talagang minention ko eh. Purposes of CD tray or sled mechanics. Yung mga sa pickup. Nailaw yung pickup natin guys, yung laser, yung LD, laser diode. Nailaw yun pagka naka-powered yung ating unit. Pero hindi nyo pwedeng tignan yun direkta to avoid eye injured, para hindi kayo masilaw kasi rin pala yun guys, parang non-recommendable din na tignan direkta yung yung ilaw nung pick up kasi may ilaw yun, may power mismo yung sa niya, sa kanyang body. Okay? Pag nire-read yung CDs or di kaya search for CDs kung meron naka-insert or wala. Pag wala, no disc po yun. Ngayon, pag meron namang at nakita nyo may CD naman, it's either yun, sa pick up yun, pick up din mismo may problem, or magche-check din kayo ng voltage, checking. Pag sa DVD, at least 2 volts. So, pag nag-nodi. So, saka na natin yung iyaan. Pagtapos ko sa, natin, dito sa mga meaning ng ating wiring diagram here. Kasunod na yun, guys. So, load, negative and positive also. Negative followed by load positive also. Yun. Doon naman tayo sa load. I know, wait. Out SW pala muna. Pwede pala muna doon. out SW. So, nasan dito yun? Bakit nauna yung load? Load yung una. Ang sumunod dun sa SL. So, load current mo. Load positive, negative muna tayo, guys. Ibig sabihin nun, load current in printed circuit board. A load current is the amount of electrical current that is passed from power supply to the device or component receiving the power. From power supply to the device. So, ito yung power supply. Yan, dito maglo-load yun. Pupunta sa ating devices. Peripheral components here. Mga micro components. After dito, pag naka-power on siya, guys, pag nakasaksak sa AC outlet, so, yun. Dun siya, yun yung load positive, negative. Load current. Yung tawagin. IR, guys. Punta naman tayo doon. Wait. No. Hindi. Punta muna tayo sa output switch. Kasi di pa pala yun tapos ayan, meron pang remaining na out in. Una muna kasi dito yung out. So, guys, ayun. Out SW switch. So, output switch. SW meaning switch. Tapos, yung GND, followed by GND, ground yun, 0 volts or value. INS, INSW, input switch. Okay. So, we will describe this now. Yung some parts of this. So, pupunta tayo sa IR. Ito yung IR. Ibig sabihin, infrared receiving. Sorry, informational or information retrieval. Sorry. Para kasing doon yan sa may function ng DVD namin. Parang alam po, sa remote yan. Ito kasi, guys, yung remote niya, pan DVD. So, ayun, makikita nyo yung kanyang sensor here. Meron din yung sensor doon sa IR sensor niya doon sa DVD. Okay, pan DVD. Kaya dito kasi information retrieval. And then IR is the method of locating and displaying information. So, method pala for locating the information, some information, and displaying the dun sa sa LCD niya. Ayun, makikita kami, babasa kayo doon na digital numbers pag nagre-read na yung ating CD or the design itself, kung merong functional design na ang ating isang DVD. Yun nga, short for the infrared. Ayan. Pa-function to, guys. Kung may nakasaksak na, meron nakalagay na AAA battery, should be two pieces. Okay. D33. Okay. Saan ang ating D33 connected also to our IC here. Ayan, describe. Connected to IC here. Describe as I described. IC here. Okay, as I described. D33 means that the string is in x3 direction times 3 direction when electrode is on x1 to x2 phase. Also means the piezoelectric coefficient or piezoelectric modulus, usually written as D, then down 3 double 3. Okay, usually written. So, para hindi siya fractions, kundi D 33, not over okay guys, for illustration purposes only. Quantifies the volume change when a piezoelectric material is subject to an electric field or the polarization on the application of stress. Okay. D80 connected also here in our IC here. D80 means a hardware circuit that converts a virtual memory address into a real address. A hardware circuit that converts a virtual memory address into a real address or delivered at terminal. For short, it delivers to its terminal, guys. Yun siya. CS. Let's go to CS. Subject code. CS here. Ayun. Kita ba? CS. Ayun. Subject. No. It's a code segment register. Code segment register. Okay. And then after that CLK. What's the meaning of the CLK? Again, it's a clock. Yung ating may time duration kasi yung mga kahit sa tape, depende sa unit ng anuhan ng tape kung digital ang unit. Pero kung analog, wala po kayong CLK. Ano po yun siguro, maybe it's not applicable for analog cassette. Like this one. Have here one. It's an analog cassette. It's not a digital one, but an analog one. LED. Okay, let's proceed to LED. LED or LD ba yun? Wala na akong makitang LED. No, ito, it's here. Also, LED. LED plus, LED minus, or negative 1. Is it correct? Is it correct? Oo, tama. Light emitting diode yung LED. So, usually, makikita nyo naman yon. Ito, guys, ganito yung klase ng mga LCD. LED, sorry. Light emitting diode. Mali-mali naman ang aking naman mention. Sorry po. Ayan, connected to the FFC, yung ating flexible flat cable, but it's not a removable one. It's in there also design. Yung talagang hindi siya pwede, guys. Hindi siya na hindi siya removable, guys, ha. Connected talagang sadyang connected na yan dyan sa kanyang overall board here, yung main board niya rito. Connected na siya dyan, guys.